Hello everybody, hope you're all well. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back today with an upcycling video for you. I'm going to be upcycling this cable drum that I found someone had thrown out, and I'm going to be hopefully turning it into a table. So I thought I'd do this as a bit more of a chatty upcycling DIY kind of video rather than a step-by-step one, because obviously I'm just being creative with the things that I've found. Before we get cracking with it, if you're new here, don't forget to hit subscribe. I'm posting new videos every single week, and please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it or if it inspires you to do a similar project. Okay, so this is the cable drum that I found. So it's obviously a circle of wood at the top. It's got the section in the middle. It's got a few holes missing, but I kind of like that. And then it's got the same at the base as well. So what I thought I would do is add some legs to this. So I'm going to give it some height, and then this will become the tabletop, and then we've got this shelf here that we can place things on as well. And I'm hoping to maybe use this outside, maybe on the roof garden. I'm not entirely sure yet, we'll see how it turns out. So the plan is, well, originally I was actually going to attach these casters on it that I picked up at the car boot sale. I think these were, what did I get them for? I think I got them for £2 for the 4. What I'm going to do instead though is use those casters on the bench that I've got outside. I think it would be quite useful to be able to wheel that around, so I can put things in it. I can use that as some storage and wheel it out and wheel it back into place. So I'm going to save the casters for that. Now what I found the other night, which someone was throwing out, is this lamp stand. So it's got 3 legs. The legs are a bit wibbly wobbly, where it's started to come loose. It's just the screws that have got a bit loose. And they've cut the lamp off it, so it's just been left with this cable hanging through it, and it's got this metal attachment at the top. So what I thought I would do is take the legs and try to attach them. So what I'm going to do is unscrew these bits first of all. So I've put this plastic tablecloth down in the lounge because I don't want to, well, that's the wrong way. Let's get these out. There we go. Aha, so we've got the bolts separated. Let's do the next one. Okay, so I'm going to keep these 3 pieces for a separate project. I thought I could make a plant stand with those. I'm going to save those. Now let's take this bit. I'm doing this it's like 9 PM on Friday night. I'm just trying to bash through this because I've got so much to do this weekend. That if I can get this done, that will be a good start, and I'll feel like I've made a bit of progress. So now I'm going to take these screws off the top. Okay. Getting my revenge on the noisy neighbours. Right, so now we've got these off. They've actually got the screw parts on, so I'm going to just use the bolts that came with it to attach these onto the drum. So, oh, which way are we going to go? Have to go outwards, I guess. I'm just winging this a little bit, so hopefully it'll work all right. So now I'm just going to grab a pencil and mark out where I think I need to drill the holes in the cable drum for those bits to attach. I've just taken a pencil and rubbed the end of this so I can get the markings, and then I'm just going to use this piece of paper to transfer it onto the drum. So I'm going to put one here first of all. So I'm just going to, might just fold that edge actually, and mark where I want the 3. So say that's one there. So I'm just doing this by eye. Kind of want one here, I think. Just avoid that bit where it's sticky. It's gone a bit weird there. It's got one there, about there. Right, and then let's just tear that. Just scribbled on the back, and then I'm just going to draw quite hard over it. And that should transfer the lead so I can see where to drill those holes. There we go. Just go over that. Now what I've done is taken one of the screws and just found a drill bit that's approximately the same size, tiny little bit bigger. And we can drill these all out now. Oops. I've drilled all the holes, and as you can see it has split the wood a bit here, so I'm just going to sand that off a bit before we go through, just to get rid of any splinty bits. You see here as well, just do that bit. Oh dear. I don't mind it being a bit rough and ready though. That's kind of the idea with this piece, he says. So now hopefully it's just a case of attaching the legs onto it. Let's just hope that the screws will go through all right. And I've no idea if these are actually going to line up. Oh, squeaky. There we go. So that's one. It's gone in. Just doing it by hand to start with. Feed that one in. Now this is the tricky bit. Is the second one going to line up? I don't know if you can see this. Let's do it sideways now. Oh, that's better. I can see what I'm doing now. I think we're in. Just keep twisting. I know this is riveting viewing, and this is how I spend my Friday evenings. It's tricky because the screwdriver, obviously, I'd be doing this with the drill, but you've got the small gap here to squeeze into. Oh, it's going to be quite tall. Hopefully that will look alright. There we have it, the first one is on. So that's one down, two to go. Right, so that's the last one. So now it is the moment of truth. Let's see if it stands up alright. Yeah, that looks really good, I think. It's pretty much done. Right, let's just bring this up a bit to show you. There we go. Now there is this hole in the top, and what I thought I would do is use this piece that's left over and just screw it onto there so that things can't fall down the hole, just like as an extra bit of detail on there. Might as well use the bolts it came with again, so I'm just going to drill through this. Those in. Let's give that a little polish. All done. I think I may paint the legs, but if I do, I will show you that in a future video. And I think this is probably going to be going outside. I think it's the perfect height to have some drinks at. Let me just show you standing. I'll grab my coffee. So as you can see, yeah, it's a really nice little perch for some drinks. And also, I thought on the layer down here, we could have some trailing plants that might look really good. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this little upcycle. It was a bit of a spontaneous one, but I thought you'd like to see how I put random things together like this. If you're new here, don't forget to hit subscribe. I'm posting new videos every single week, and please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think of it in the comments down below, and what you think I should do with this. Should I keep it inside or put it outside? Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye!